Yo guys, this video was not planned but still I will do it. So here we have a Bugatti Chiron which I have ordered from a secret app that I will tell only if this video gets 100 likes. So hit the like icon and make sure to subscribe. So first I will open this car and show it to you, and then we will review it that it's worth it or not, because this car I got it for only rupees 400. So let's open it. So we're trying to open it. And the car is open, and as you can see they gave us a small box so that we can just put it anywhere. This is the box with the Majorette, and here as you can see, my days, this is an absolute cinema. As you can see that we can open and close this, even though it's 1:64, still we can open the doors. That's the reason why in some cases the Majorette is very expensive, and they give us more details than Hot Wheels, because in Hot Wheels you cannot open the doors, but in Majorette you can open the door and close the door. And here is, it's fully a metal car, and the paint, as you can see this, the paint is absolutely W, bro. The wheels are also very nice, as you can see. And the back side I will show you. See this, the detailings in the Majorette is quite good, and if you are spending 400 rupees, it's really worth it that you are getting this car. And firstly, in Amazon if you try to buy it, it takes you up to 1000 rupees, and I just bought it for 400. So if you want to know the name of the app, then hit the subscribe button. So let's do a cinematic shot of this car, and as always I'm watching you from far and I'm rooting for you.